Welcome to solverfy.
In this question, we have this setup. At this instance, the block A is moving to the right with 4 meters per second speed and acceleration 6 meters per second square. We need to determine the angular acceleration of link AB and the acceleration of point B at the instant. Okay, so we have VA is equal to 4I meters per second. Acceleration of A is 6I meters per second square, and then VB will be pointing to the right at this instant. Okay, and then AB will just be 2 alpha minus 2 alpha I minus 2 omega square J. Okay. Right, so let's first work on velocity. Okay, so VA is equal to VB plus omega AB cross RA relative to B. Okay, so we have 4I is equal to VB I plus omega AB in the K direction cross 2 cosine 30 degrees I plus sine 30 degrees J. So minus I plus root 3J. Okay, so just remember that cosine 30 degrees, square root 3 over 2, sine 30 degrees is half. Half I took out to multiply with the 2 gets 1, so I'm left with omega AB. Okay, and then I'm just going to group terms. VB minus omega AB I plus omega AB root 3J. Okay, so comparing components. So we have omega AB equals to 0 and VB equals to 4 meters per second. Okay. Okay, so for the acceleration, so just to repeat what we had just now, AA, the acceleration of point A is 6I, AB is 2 alpha I minus 2 omega square J. Okay, so AA is equal to AB plus alpha AB cross RB RA relative to B minus omega AB square RA relative to B, and then this term is 0. So okay, so 6I is equal to 2 alpha I minus 2 omega square J. Okay, so from so VB equals to 4, right? Okay, so this is VB equals to 4. This is 2 omega. Okay, so VB is 2 omega from the diagram. Okay, so VB is pointing this way, so it has omega radius times omega in the I direction. Okay, so omega is equals to 2. Okay, that's something that we are going to use later. Okay, let's continue. Plus alpha AB in the K direction cross RAB, it is 2 cosine 30 degrees I plus sine 30 degrees J. Okay, so 6I equals to 2 alpha I minus 8J plus alpha AB minus I plus root 3J, and then grouping the terms to alpha minus alpha AB I plus root 3 alpha AB minus 8J. Okay, so comparing components. So for the Y component, okay, we can get our alpha AB straight away. Okay, this is 8 over root 3. The number is 4.62 radians per second square. Okay, and then it is counterclockwise. Okay, so this is one of the answer that we need. That's for this question. And then from the X component, so 6 is equals to 2 alpha minus alpha AB. Okay, so alpha will be half times 6 plus 4.62. This is equal to 5.31 radians per second square. Okay, so we can get our acceleration of point B to be 2 alpha I minus 2 omega square J. This is 10.6 I minus 8J. So the magnitude of AB is equal to 10.6 square plus 8 square root is equal to 13.3 meters per second square. And then the direction is equal to arctangent the y component divided by the x component. This is equal to 37.0 degrees. Okay, below the horizontal to the right. Okay, so from the diagram, from this vector form, we know that it's going to be pointing like this. And then this angle is 37.0 degrees. Okay, so the answer for acceleration for point B, okay, in vector form and in magnitude direction form is in this box. Okay, and that's all.